Yeah, I'll never wait. I look on my life, I look on my dreams, I won't hesitate. Since I was 13, I always believed, cause I never wait.
This is it, boys. Come on, come on. Oh, I got hit, but I had to turn my bike off in order to do it. Oh my god, my balls. I think they're getting stabbed by my zipper. Doggo! Well, how much longer till we get there? I think he's telling me it's 17:16. Fucking idiot. Yep, that's what he's telling me because it's 2 minutes, 2 hours and 2 minutes off. You stupid. That's not what I'm asking. Hey, that old man did not seem happy. Where'd you go? I'm right next to you, fool. What? I'm right next to you. You. There you are. Now you're back? I'm waiting for the slow motherfucking truck. Which one? That big white one? This GMC, yeah. God, this motherfucker move like, oh my god.
6.5 hours later.
Fuck that truck. I was tired. I had to go around. Yeah. Look, they got an American flag on top.
That is awesome.
We've conquered this land.
Got you first.
Yeah, you thought? You dumb. You killed some shit yourself.
Oh, I turned it off before I did it.
There you go. Oh. Damn, I didn't even use all my nitrous. Well, this is some bullshit. We're gonna make this next, right? Oh shit. How the fuck am I supposed to get up there? Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that shit? Get ready for this sick flyby. Let me slow down so I can make it cool. I wonder if he saw that. I'm gonna ask him. Did you hear me fly by? I was like, I wonder if I can make him hear me. Oh, thanks.
if my songs go pop, pop, pop. What makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack off, ready to change the game and run the track. Y'all thinking I'ma fall